Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are back in Elemental Magic. I know I ended the series, but I decided why not start a new one? And I decided that and obviously when I play this, I'm here with my brother Brayden.
Hi.
What are you doing?
You got so far. What level are you?
I am on level 17.
I'm 86.
How?
I have very strong magic. You want to see a hurricane? Don't come near me. Just look at me.
Okay. I'll look at the
Are
bridge.
you looking at me?
I see the bridge. Yeah, I see the hurricane. That's really cool. I'm not near you.
Yeah, you can see the hurricane, right?
Yeah. Okay, I'm coming.
Cool, right?
I'm gonna recharge my power since I already used my
You want to see tornado?
Yeah, sure.
Again, don't come near me.
I won't.
Okay.
Oh! Let's make it not come to me.
Cool, right?
Yeah, that's cool, but it's coming so near me.
That's not me. That's someone else shooting at me.
I'm running so fast, so are you. Gotta recharge.
Yeah, this person is trying to come after me.
Where are you? Oh, whoa! Didn't you have power sound last time?
Yeah, that's my favorite one, but this is much stronger.
Yeah. And, I still have my water powers. Oh, there's a person.
Yeah, they're gonna try to kill me. I know this person.
Before I joined, did they try to kill you?
No, I played with them before on the server.
Wait, do they know you?
No. Where'd you go?
I see. I'm by this, there's, I don't even know what they're at. I see a person jumping. Is that you? Is that you?
Yes.
Whoa, I got slinged.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I got slingshotted.
Sorry, that's because of me. Where'd you go? Are you in the water?
No, I am coming back to the bridge. I see you. You just disappeared. I see you, Brayden. Stop running away. Is that you? Am I coming near you?
Want to see something also really cool?
What?
Move. This person's trying to get to us. Oh, they're not part of our squad. Where are you, Jack?
I'm jumping because this person's trying to get us. Get him. I'll shoot my tsunami.
Watch out, watch out.
Ah! I killed.
No. Oh no. Your body, it just scattered everywhere. Where are you?
I spawned. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where are you?
I'm by the bridge again. And there's white everywhere and I'm swimming in the water.
I'll be there in a second.
Okay, I just sling myself out of the water. Now I'm up here.
Okay.
Hi. I see you. You just walked right past me. I'm right here, Brayden. I'm up here. Hello?
Hello?
Okay.
You can't hear me?
I heard you, but you weren't speaking for a minute. Oh, shoot! You killed me!
Oh my god, that's so powerful.
Okay, there's no water, and I see snow, and I see, this bridge.
I know exactly. I know you are.
Okay, I'm going up on that bridge, and I think it's the bridge near the desert. I'm pretty sure there's one desert, actually.
Yeah, I know you are. You're fine.
I'm on the bridge.
Again, this person still won't leave me alone.
See the sun. It's rising! Is this person following you?
Yes.
I just walked right past you. I'm gonna recharge my power since I used it up. Oh, I'm destroying the bridge. See, can we destroy the bridge?
Get away. Okay, they're gone. No, you can't.
Wait, can we actually destroy the bridge?
No, you can't.
Oh, shoot! What is that? Why is that person... I'm frozen!
You have nothing.
Oh, I unfroze myself somehow. I died!
Oh my god. Jack, how do you know?
I don't know. I'm by the desert.
Oh my god. I don't know how you keep.
Yeah, I don't know how I keep dying either. I just froze right there. I just fell off. I'm at the desert. How far is the desert?
The person won't leave me alone.
What are they trying to do?
Literally obsessed with me. Nothing, they're just obsessed. They think they can kill me, but they're not nearly as powerful.
That's what they're trying to do. I see the black and white symbol. But I don't even know what it is.
Not me or anyone that I know.
Kill them!
You killed them?
No, you kill them.
I don't know where you are.
I said
no, I
you...
see you right now. I'm coming.
You see my name? What?
Go to that symbol.
Okay, see if I can still find
Or
it.
where that symbol was.
I see it. There's one I see it. I see a symbol.
Yeah, go there.
Oh, there's rocks covering it. No, I can't even get there. See if I can jump over the rocks. I'm very far. Because I see the symbol. I see it. I also see a 180. Oh my god! Like, is there people with wings? Oh god! Do they know that? Do they know us?
No. These people are just really annoying. Especially this guy who won't leave me alone.
Why are these people trying to kill me? What did I do to them?
What, Jack?
What did I do to them? Brayden doesn't have his own YouTube channel. He doesn't really want to create one. Oh my gosh, I see like... These people that will not leave us alone are annoying. I wish I could kill them with my tsunami. I think maybe I can. Maybe I can. Oh, I leveled up! Now I'm on... Oh!
I finally killed that guy who wouldn't leave me alone. Where are you?
I just saw you!
Oh, hi!
Hi, did you just see me jumping? I did have shorts before. I did have shorts on my avatar, but I changed them back to the jeans. I see clouds.
Storm? See this big storm thing?
Yeah, I see those. I'm trying not to get into it. I got into it and I just like flew.
Okay. Where are you?
Okay, I see. Okay. Oh my gosh, I keep getting stuck everywhere.
Yeah, stay still. I see you.
Hi. Oh gosh, Brayden, you just killed me. Why did you do that?
What?
You killed me. Now I see the desert.
You say that so much, Jack. I don't.
It's the person. That's the person that wouldn't leave you alone. I see the symbol.
Oh my god, I know where you are. You see this big cross?
Big crotch?
Shh. That was my father. I see the big cross.
Crotch.
Shush. see the big cross.
I'm at that.
I saw you. I just saw you. Oh, I just ran right past you. Hi.
Hi. Look still.
Why?
Why, you don't want to be a crotch anymore?
Shush! Dad, shush.
Look out! Where are you?
I'll use my tsunami on him.
This guy's so annoying.
He will not leave us alone. Shush, Dad, shush. Oh my!
You went right where my blast is.
Oh my gosh! Please try to ignore my father. Okay, I see like I see the bridge.
Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
Oh my god.
You guys would think that it's not easy controlling it on computer as it is on phone, but trust me, I am not used to that anymore. I'm on the same exact bridge I was last time.
Don't know where that is.
What? What?
Just check you keep going farther and farther away. Are you by the ocean?
No, I'm at the same exact bridge I was last time, and I see like this like black circle with this like white kind of thing. Oh my gosh, I just see clouds, and I just got...
Are you seeing the yin yang symbol?
What?
Yin yang symbol? Yin yang symbol?
No?
Okay. I'm gonna shoot something in the air.
Okay, I'll try and look. I'll try and look. I see red. I see red.
No, I'm shooting things in the air. It's white things.
I see it, but I'm getting killed. And you're killing. I see white stuff, but I'm getting killed. I just died. Why did that person keep? What did I do to? What did we do to these people?
I don't know, but I'll kill them.
I spawned at the desert.
Oh my god, again? Do you see the red cross?
Red cross? No.
Oh my god, you were far, far.
Okay.
I can hear the intense...
Shush!
Did you see a red cross?
Shush!
Keep that gator short.
Guys, my father is being so annoying. I would turn off my camera. Right here.
Where are you, Jack? I'm in the desert.
I see red. Red smoke.
Okay, go to that smoke. I'll kill the person for you.
Boss fires Devil's General. I saw him. Oh my gosh! I just saw your powers. Oh my god!
Go away from him. Go away from him.
I am.
Oh wait, no, he's dead.
Oh, looks like you killed him. I see white.
Look at
I see you. You see me?
Okay. Now I don't because I'm looking at the air.
God damn.
Okay. I see you. You're recharging your power. I'm gonna recharge mine too.
Yeah. Ah, why is it doing that to me? Jack, why are you doing this to me?
I didn't mean to. Wait, did you die?
Wait.
What the heck? Oh my god.
No.
What did I do? Should I use my tsunami?
Ah!
Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Did you use your Poocinator?
Shush, Dad, shush. Okay, guys, we're gonna end off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!